So if you will select resistive load, again power factor calculating. So now resistive load, so it is calculating what is the power factor right now. So power factor is 0.96 right now. That's why this red indicator, as I already told you, if hello friends, I hope all are doing great. So today we are going to discuss the project automatic power factor correction or automatic power factor controller. So let me discuss about some components, then I'll show you the complete working of the project. So this is the step down transformer which will convert 230 volt AC into 12 volt AC so that you can utilize that 12 volt AC to run your circuit. So if I talk about, this is the 230 volt AC cable. So this cable will basically supply this will provide supply to the complete project. So now if I talk about this transformer, so this 12 volt AC is given to this circuit. So this is bridgeway rectifier. This bridgeway rectifier will convert 12 volt AC into 12 volt DC. Then there is a two capacitor. So these two capacitors acting as a filter circuit over here. So they will filter out any fluctuations or ripples available in the output of bridgeway rectifier. Then this is 7805 voltage regulator which will convert 12 volt DC into 5 volt DC. Then this is power indicator. This LED is acting as a power indicator over here. This is the LCD which will display the complete information about the project. And this is the potentiometer which will set the contrast of the LCD. This is microcontroller which is 8089S52, means 8051 microcontroller, which will process this signal and will provide the output to the project. Now these are the two indicators. If power factor is correct, then green indicator will be on. And what do you mean by correct over here? Correct means if power factor is above 0.97. Now if I talk about this red indicator, this will be on if power factor will be below 0.97. This is the relay which will on and off the two load. This load is resistive load and this load is inductive load. And this selection will be done by through this button or this switch. If it is in this direction, then it will either select resistive load or inductive load. So this was the function of this relay. These four relay is to select the capacitor bank. So these are the four capacitor of 1 microfarad which we are using to correct the power factor of the project. Now relay you cannot drive using microcontroller directly, so you have to use two transistors. So these two transistors acting as a driver over here. So they are Darlington pair and the transistor is BC547, and there is an individual indicator as well for each relay, and there is a diode. This diode will bypass back EMF which is generated by the relay. So like this circuit, all these relay have their own circuits, right? Now another thing, if I talk about this is the current sensing unit which will sense the amount of current, and this feedback will be given to the microcontroller so that it can correct the power factor accordingly, and the main input is given through this CT. So let's see the working of the project. So I'm going to give the power supply. Now power factor controller, this is the message on the LCD. So right now selection of inductive capacitive load, it may be anything. Now you can see green LED on. Power factor control calculating. So it is calculating the power factor. Now power factor is 0.58. It means obviously there is a inductive load right now. Okay, so first relay is on to make the power factor correction, and you can see power factor calculating the message on the LCD. Now two relay on because one relay was not sufficient, that's why it used two relay. So now you can see power factor is 0.99 and green indicator is on. Earlier red indicator was there, but now green indicator. Why? Because power factor is corrected. So if you will select resistive load, again power factor calculating. So now resistive load, so it is calculating what is the power factor right now. So power factor is 0.96 right now. That's why this red indicator, as I already told you, if power factor is below 0.97, then red indicator will be on. Now power factor is okay because one power bank is added through this relay. And if you will select the inductive load, again it will start calculating the power factor. It is calculating right now green indicator, but if power factor is below 0.97, then red indicator will be on. Like you can see red indicator because power factor is 0.58. So it will add first relay, like first relay is added means first capacitor, so it will again start calculating. If power factor is insufficient, it will add another capacitor bank. it will start calculating. Now after adding 2 capacitors, power bank is this power factor is okay, which is 0.99, and green indicator is on. So this is all about this automatic power factor controlling or controller. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can put your doubt in the comment section, and if you want to buy the kit, then you can contact on the contact number given in the description given below. Thank you.